Kimi K3 Open Weights, the dawn of open 3T class intelligence. The release of Moonshot AI's Kimi K3 Open Weights marks a watershed moment for open-source artificial intelligence. Boasting 2.8 trillion total parameters, Kimi K3 stands as the world's first open 3T class model, breaking previous records held by open weight systems and closing the capability gap with top proprietary architectures. Designed to perform complex reasoning, native multimodal tasks, and long-horizon software engineering, this release signals a massive shift in how frontier AI capability is accessed, inspected, and deployed globally. Beyond raw parameter scale, Kimi K3 introduces foundational architectural efficiency that makes managing a multi-trillion parameter model viable. Built on a sparse mixture of experts, or MOE design, K3 activates just 16 out of 896 total experts per token, around 104 billion active parameters. This is paired with two major innovations: Kimi Delta Attention, or KDA, a hybrid linear attention mechanism that dramatically reduces computational overhead across its 1 million token context window, and Attention Residuals, or ATNRES, which allows layers to retrieve representations from prior points in the network dynamically. Trained natively with MXFP4 weight quantization, K3 achieves an estimated 2.5 times improvement in scaling efficiency over its predecessors, enabling high-speed decoding even across massive context lengths. When compared against industry-leading closed-weight models, Kimi K3 achieves near parity on top-tier benchmarks while outperforming closed ecosystems in specialized engineering domains. Independent evaluations show K3 placing right alongside proprietary titans like Claude Opus 4.8 and GPT-5.5, trailing only the most expensive closed systems like Claude 5.5 and GPT-5.6 Sol on general knowledge reasoning. However, in agentic coding, browser automation, and long-horizon software engineering tasks, such as front-end code arena, BrowseComp, and 24-hour GPU kernel optimization, Kimi K3 frequently takes the top spot. By offering performance that rivals top closed APIs at roughly half the cost per completed task, K3 proves that open models are no longer a generation behind, but actively setting the standard for complex production-grade work. What matters most about Kimi K3, however, is the democratization of autonomous agentic work and data sovereignty. Developers and enterprise teams are no longer forced to route sensitive codebases and high-value internal data through third-party proprietary cloud APIs to access frontier intelligence. Because the weights are freely downloadable under an open license, organizations can host, fine-tune, and run Kimi K3 entirely within their own secure data centers or private cloud infrastructures. From autonomous GPU kernel optimization and compiler development to interactive UI design and complex scientific research, Kimi K3 places high-level AI capabilities directly into the hands of the global developer community.